So these eyes are actually going in the most efficient position for them. This is not their final position. These will be like one of their own, like this entire length apart, and they'll be angled down more so that when they are put up in like a room or whatever, they will be the thing that draws your eye the most. Because throughout human history, we've been either hunters or prey. So we've always looked for eyes. Eyes are one of the most powerful imagery, and it's one of the things that's very hard to ignore in human, instinct. Oh, this one's quite tight. So that's part of the reason why we wanted them. They're a very strong statement piece that's hard to ignore. But this is definitely not like, they wouldn't be sit up like this. They still look like eyes. People in the village are like, oh, eyes! Which shows just how strong they are because they're not in the right positions. But when they are put in the right positions, there'll no way you'll be able to question if they are eyes, even if they do only have mirrors in them. Partly the reason why I made them such.